Hello everyone, today we will talk about Claritox Pro, a revolutionary solution for balance control and dizziness prevention. With its unique combination of natural ingredients, Claritox Pro is proven to be an effective and safe way to improve your overall health. First, let's talk about how Claritox Pro works. It is made from a combination of essential nutrients and minerals, including ginkgo biloba, Bacopa monnieri, and echinacea. These ingredients work together to improve blood circulation in the brain and other parts of the body. This is important to maintain balance and prevent dizziness. One of the main benefits of Claritox Pro is its ability to improve blood circulation in the neck and head. This is especially significant because other blood vessels in the brain and neck are connected to the brain, and any circulation problems can cause dizziness and other balance problems. In addition to its energy-boosting properties, Claritox Pro contains vitamins and minerals that support healthy vision and brain functions. This means it can help reduce symptoms of visual issues such as light sensitivity and blurred vision, which can cause dizziness. Another advantage of Claritox Pro is that it is 100% natural, making it safe and reliable. This is a good choice for those who want to have balance and avoid dizziness without danger. Consequently, Claritox Pro is the best choice for those who want to improve balance and prevent dizziness. With its unique combination of ingredients, it helps improve circulation in the neck and head, supports healthy vision, and ensures overall health. Try Claritox Pro today and experience the results for yourself.